Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, who I am ever so grateful for giving me this opportunity this Ramadan on Adore Eats with me, Adila, cooking with you. I'm so glad to share all these lovely recipes with you, and today I have a special guest on set. It's someone we call May, or better known as my mother, who's going to be cooking with us today something sweet that you can share with your families for iftar. So, Assalamu alaikum, Mami.
Wa alaikum salam. Adi, thanks for having me in the show. It's a great opportunity and it's quality time with you.
Oh, I'm loving hearing that, and my brother's definitely going to be jealous. So, what are we making today?
Okay, today we're making a bread pudding with a bit of coconut in it, just to give it a bit of a different taste.
Okay, so bread pudding is really simple and easy, but also something that we can all make with the ingredients we have in our homes. So, would you like to explain what you have in your ingredients today?
All right. These are the ingredients. It's 6 eggs, a liter of milk, 6 slices of bread that has been chopped up in cubes, a few blobs of butter, half a cup of coconut, and 1 cup sugar, vanilla for flavoring, and egg yellow coloring for just to make it look a bit yellow.
Okay, so can I bring down the ingredients for you? I love having my mom over to cook. I mean, it just feels so much easier. I feel like I have less pressure, less work to do, and the kids love Nani's food anyway.
Okay, so first we put in the egg and then the sugar, and we beat it up a bit.
This is nice and sweet also. I think it's perfect afterwards. Let's
and
show.
Then we add the milk, which will help dissolve the sugar.
So can you make the ingredients the half quantity if you don't wish to make so much?
Yes, you can. And as far as the bread is concerned, you can even use bread that's a bit stale, which is actually very good because it absorbs all the liquid very well.
Okay, so what do we add next?
That's it. You just mix it thoroughly till the sugar dissolves, which is almost done.
I feel like this is so nice in this cool weather because we're having a lot of rain and cold spells this Ramadan.
You now add in the bread. Okay.
Should I pass you? Doesn't it feel nice having an assistant in the kitchen passing all the things to you cooking?
Yes, it does. It helps. You add the vanilla essence. That flavors it. If you don't like vanilla essence, you can always add elaichi powder.
Not one of my favorites.
Okay, and that's the coloring going in. Gives it a lovely color. It's actually quite simple.
I think this is really simple and very easy for younger girls to make as well. I mean, if they want to help their mums or they want to make something with their friends coming over, it's something so easy to make that even our young teenage girls can take part in the kitchen with iftar preps.
Okay, and lastly you add in the coconut. Mix well, and now you're ready to put it in the tray.
Okay, here's our Pyrex glass tray.
You grease your tray.
Do you leave your bread pudding in your Pyrex, or do you remove it after being baked? So you can use a fancy tray or something
it's always nicer to leave it in the tray.
Okay, so it's better to use something clear so you can serve it on the table as well.
Then you grease your tray. That's it. I put a bit of butter.
You can just see the love for butter we have here.
Butter makes anything taste nice.
Give you lots of hours in the gym also.
Okay, here we go. And you pour in your mixture.
I'm really looking forward to an iftar with something sweet after I break my fast and a nice cup of tea. I can't wait to eat it.
All right, and now just to give it a bit of the red color on top when it bakes, you just put blobs of butter. It adds to the flavor and it makes the pudding look good.
For a fasting person, I think I look happier than most iftars, seeing that I'm not doing the cooking today.
Well, you're going to be tasting all later. Here we go.
I think you should co-cook for more meals. I mean, we need this. We need to cook on screen together. We need bonding time.
Okay, that's done.
Okay,
And now
we bake this on, what's the temperature?
you bake this on 180 for 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, so let me put this into the oven. Wipe your hand. Okay, so I'll put this in.
That's it. You leave it in now for 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, so
And then
that's
you take
in
it
baking, and I can't wait to show you the final product. Well, I can't wait to eat it as well. Okay, so Mom, or May should I say, Nani's kitchen. You think our bread pudding is ready to come out?
It is now. We should take it out.
Smells so good. Should I take it
Alright,
out
yes,
for you?
we do.
Okay, let me take that out for you. Oh, this is hot and heavy, and it smells really good. Oh wow, this looks so beautiful, mashallah. I cannot wait to indulge in iftar tonight.
Here we
Really
go.
looking forward to eating this today. I have such a sweet tooth. Clearly you
Here
have a
we go.
sweet daughter, so comes with the sweet tooth.
Okay,
Oh,
so
just by the way, when you're serving these nice dishes for iftar and Eid, you must always remember you want to present well and dress well. So today my mom and I are wearing kaftans from Adore by Adila, myself, Adila that designs them, on Instagram. Give me a follow and don't forget to tag me in your lovely outfits as well as your new recipes. Okay, so get back to this.
Now this is our pudding all ready to eat, and now we're going to serve it on our platter.
So lovely, it smells so good.
Okay, the pudding is warm. You can actually eat it warm with ice cream, or if you want to cool it, you can have it cold with custard.
Okay, so I think custard would be a good option. I feel like this weather's too cold for ice cream. Okay,
Here we go.
Here we go. This is our lovely bread pudding. Oh my word, this looks so good, and I
smells
cannot
good.
wait to eat it. I'm really looking forward to having this for iftar tonight. It can be served with strawberries, bananas, custard, ice cream. Jazakallah so much for cooking with me today, Mommy. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for still having my mother in my life and sharing this Ramadan with her. Jazakallah to all of you for watching us through this through my journey on Adore Eats. And may you all have a blessed Ramadan, Mommy.
Okay, Jazakallah for having me, and I hope you all try this recipe and enjoy it. It's simple, it's easy, and it's really tasty. And until we meet again, may Allah accept all your du'as, your zikr, and you all take care. Assalamu
Jazakallah so
alaikum.
much. Assalamu alaikum.